Let me tell you something important about Save Club. If you feel like you don't have a lot of experience, maybe you have zero point zero. Zero, my nose, this big nose is a point. You have zero point 0.0 experience. I think you can do this. Okay, if you have a little bit of experience, or maybe you've tried doing an online business or just a business in general, but you've done it yourself. Because a lot of people, when you do business like this, you don't tell people. As a matter of fact, sometimes you're nervous even to post your opportunity on Facebook because, I'm the same. You might feel embarrassed, or you just don't want to hear all the noise and all the bullcrap from, it could be friends, family, or some random butthole that lives in his grandma's basement. He's wearing diapers, playing video games all day. But boy, I call them keyboard tough guys. Aren't they amazing? He or she. A lot of people can definitely make you feel bad about yourself, especially when you're trying to do business. But with Save Club, I don't care what anyone says. And not one person's come up to this 6'2", 220-pound butthole and said, Save Club sucks. It's a scam. What a bunch of crap, Cory. I can't believe that you want to save people money. Except for this guy right here. And you know what's funny? I should have showed this cell phone number because it's from one of my downline in a country I can't even pronounce, and they're 15 hours ahead. I'll call you later, alligator. I have people, and honestly, I can't even pronounce this person's name. It's like Mal Bow Wow Papa Now Wow. It's this long. And they are from another country. And they are excited because Save Club gives them a chance to do something online and have the dream that they can make more than. And I like that because they want to make more than their bills. Mortgage, cell phone, gasoline. Let's just say you got to make $3,000 to $5,000 to $7,000 a month. That is very common here in America. A lot of people make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month, and you know what? They spend every single dime. Because it mostly decides on what kind of home or apartment or lifestyle that you want. What kind of car do you want? And a lot of people live right on the penny. Boy, I'll tell you, if you make 10 grand a month, you'll spend 10,000 and one penny, won't you? And then if you make more money than that, somehow you just tend to spend it until you get older. And then you think, okay, I better start saving. Except for Kiss and Hot Wheels and nonsense. Okay, don't go to the toy store with me or Walmart. Or eBay.com or Amazon. Take it away. But let's just get back to, do you have little experience? I believe that you need to be a part of a team and a group that have people that can relate to you. Hopefully you can relate to me because it's my group. And I belong to a pretty cool group and they tolerate me. They go, Cory, you sure wear a lot of blue. And I go, I know. Sometimes I wear yellow too. I even drink from yellow cans. And when I wear yellow, they match my underwear because I might have to pee my pants because I do so many videos I don't have time to get up and make it in time. And I'm just kidding. Cheers, by the way. I even have a Ghost sugar-free Sour Patch Blueberry energy drink because this blue raspberry matches my pretty M&M shirt and my Ford Bronco hat. But if you think you can kind of relate to me and what I'm telling you, I think you're going to have a good experience if you join my team in Save Club. I want you so badly to join our 2 and invite-only Facebook group pages because you can meet people worldwide, like my friend that just called Mal Papa Bow Wow, something like that. I'm going to actually get his name and have him pronounce it. Maybe I'll get him on the phone and do a speakerphone video. Thank goodness that YouTube videos and with Google Translate, that even if you do have people join your team from another country that you might not even have heard of, you can communicate. And it's awesome. I had no idea at my age that I would actually be meeting more people week after week, month after month. Because normally when you're almost 60 years old, you start losing friends. And you can lose friends and you just grow apart. Sometimes you have to pass away, gosh darn it. We all have time limits. But boy, to be my age and to have more friends, not only nationally here in America, but worldwide, it is awesome. And if they can teach me something, maybe if you join our team, you can teach us stuff. Because the internet and business, it's always evolving. Whatever is the cat's meow this week, in 3 months to 6 months, it could be 3 minutes from now. It could be outdated and just doesn't work. Who knew the cassette would be the CD, MP3, MP4? And oh my gosh, with the internet and the way things are with AI technology, we need to embrace AI, and we do with Save Club. Do you have to learn how to do it? No. Do you have to learn how to just make it fun and promote a link? In my case, I say I love Save Club. I used to say that 50 times in my videos, so guess what I did? I went ahead and bought it. ilovesaveclub.com. Because I don't want you to just like it or dig it or, yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's kind of groovy. But no, I want your feelings and compassion and all your energy to turn into love. So I want you to love saveclub.com, because when you join, you're going to have a good experience. You're not going to be embarrassed. If you post about it on social media, you're going to really believe in it, because for $20 you can search all over the place. And if you honestly get deals, then tell people. If you're in a remote country that's tiny and Save Club is not there yet, that's very common right now, because we're still pre-launch phase. June 1st, in a couple days, is ready, set, go. Then over the next 1, 3, 6 months, 9 months, and a year, just like conceiving a little baby, like maybe tonight I might get lucky. All right, if Lulu wants to do the do-do, or I don't know if I don't know if I want my girlfriend to do the do-do. Well, maybe. I'll spank her or something, and she'll spank me, and we'll kind of get crazy. But that's just here nor there. That's not going to get me any signups. Well, maybe it will. We'll conceive something. But I just want you to join and have a good time. There ain't nothing wrong with that. And promoting the links right in front of your screen. I love Save Club and Save Club funnels. The reason I have the funnel system is because it takes you by the hand, shows you a little bit more behind the scenes, and goes into greater detail than just the normal video Save Club comes with that $60. They're both absolutely awesome. I'm number 7 in the world right now just by using the left side, ilovesaveclub.com. And with the Save Club funnel, it sustains the excitement. I think a lot of people, they're on the fence and they want to, search other YouTube folks or videos. Do your random videos like, oh, is it legit? Is it worth my time? Save Club is so new. Should I wait another month or two to see how it goes? In my opinion, you shouldn't, because for $20, you can already see the thousands and thousands of savings with some of the biggest countries and some of the biggest companies in the world. We're talking billion-dollar companies are already safe and secure, having a great time offering us massive deals in Save Club. And once we have 1 million people by next year inside our nice group, our deals are even going to be more substantial. It's just the way it is. There's power in numbers. That's why Walmart and Amazon and Apple, all these massive companies can give you one smoking ass deal, because they either have millions and millions of loyal customers or they make billions and billions of dollars. Right now with Save Club, we understand there's not anyone on planet Earth that does not need to eat or drink or go travel somewhere or do something. Now, I know there's some countries that they're smaller and more of a humble experience, and you might not use the Save Club membership that much. But if you can do what I do, pay $60 and just tell people to go look into Save Club, you know that my first month, my first 30 days is right now. And by the time I get my check this Friday, I'm going to have about $4,000 of income. So I just 4 weeks, $4,000, just by doing fun videos, taking our marketing, joining our Facebook, group pages, and then going in the back office with Save Club and use videos and just banners, pictures. They're already made for you. All you got to do is use them and do what I do. See those 2 links on my screen? Those are my personal links. I want you to get your own. You can get 1 or 2, but I want you to look into the funnel system. I think it is going to help you. Okay, ilovesaveclub.com. When you go there, it's going to cost you $79.97, $60 to be an affiliate, and then $19.97 for your first month membership. So $80. Funnel system, $25. And I want you to get the results that I'm getting here. Okay, I've already got 6 people pre-enrolled this morning. I had 2 people upgrade. So now my total now is 13 people in about 10 days. And my funnel system does all the work. It keeps emailing. It tells people what's going on. But what's really exciting is AI technology will not only call you, you can even talk to it. It will text you and it will email you, all on your behalf. You don't have to do anything. And if the AI or the emails or the text come, just say unsubscribe. But obviously, if you put your name and information in the capture page, that means you want information about Save Club, how to be a member, or just to be an affiliate. So what I do, I just go ahead and put ilovesaveclub.com, and you can see this page. Watch this video here. You'll meet our founder, owner, CEO. All right. His name is Charles. Check it out. And then right below my little blue hat here and my blue cool M&M shirt, fill this information out right here. Hit that orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. You can join from there or just get more information. And if you don't want anything to do with Save Club, just hit unsubscribe and thanks for your time. That's how easy. Let the AI technology do everything for you. And if you want to go to Save Club Funnels, you can see same process. You're just going to go ahead and put your name right here in the middle. Okay, let's put let's all rock at gmail.com and show me the video. Do you see this video here? This one is the 20-minute bad boy. This is where Melvin takes over and he will just nice and slowly talk about this opportunity. So get yourself a little drink, get a coffee, whatever you like to do, and sit back and just watch what he says. Watch how a deal is done on your cell phone. Check out the compensation plan. Then make a decision. And if you would like to join Save Club, it's right there. Hit that red button. If you want the new funnel system, which is this funnel I'm showing you, this exact funnel is your funnel, and you can change it. You can change the colors, the wording. I've kind of changed mine. It fits how I like to talk. Watch this little video, and if you want to join, it's only $25. And if you join, you're going to get social media posts, pictures, banners, done for you videos that are short and long for TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. That way, if you have no intentions of doing a video like I'm doing right now, where I'm just smiling with a big old light in front of my face, with a big old hat covering my giant forehead, you don't have to do any video. Wait down the road. Let's just get you in Save Club. Let's get you some nice people to interact with. You don't have to talk on the phone, but maybe email, maybe inbox on Facebook. Go in the group pages. We have live Zooms. You're going to meet some cool people if you want. And if you're kind of you can be an introvert, extrovert. You can be, I guess I'm a pervert. Be whatever you want to be. But if you want to be social, nothing wrong with that. I think you're going to have more fun if you reach out and people can reach out to you a little bit and help each other. But I recommend, just like in the beginning of the video, I mentioned, I'm worried that if you're going to try to do this by yourself, you're going to get kind of lost and bummed out and you won't want to do it. Okay, the savings are there. No matter what, you pay that $20, you're going to love Save Club. It sells itself. But, boom, we want to be affiliates. We want to earn money. And I want you to join now because no one knows about Save Club. We're building the business. We're still in pre-launch. And the chance of just substantial amounts of people signing up right now. And this is my opinion, disclaimer, with my little fingers as quotation marks. But he or she that joins in the beginning of opportunities usually have one hell of an advantage. It's just the way it's always going to be. So anyway, please let me show you my business cards one more time. And I want you to look at both of these links. The left one, that's directly what you get for $60 when you become an affiliate. In the Save Club funnels, and you don't have to do it at all, but if you have $25, I suggest just give it a month. There's no contracts, there's no credit card, and you have to call 50 times for auto pay. Don't worry about it. Save Club funnels, it's awesome. Awesome. It's simple, and I've been eating pistachios right before I clicked record here. So pardon, I think I just had one go in my rib and shoot out my butt here, but you're going to have a good time in this company, okay? So think about it. Keep things simple. Keep things fun. If you need something, you can see my email right there, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Just get a hold of me. I'm super easy to get a hold of. I'll definitely answer you back. And that's it. So anyway, thanks for your time, guys. I got to get these dang pistachios out of my face. Oh, they're so addicting. And so are these. And I love them because they match my shirt. And that white matches my teeth. And barbecue sauce matches my burnt face from being outside in this 90-degree heat I'm at in Salt Lake. All right, guys, my 15 minutes is up. You have a good one, and get a hold of me if I can help you, okay? All right, take care, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Talk to you later. Bye.